Good day, everyone. We're here with the C3PO, which is from the Droid Depot over in Galaxy's Edge. This is one of the pre-built droids you can get. They have the R2, the BB-8, the DJ Rex, and C3PO. This is one of the cheaper ones, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features and open it up. Alright, here we have C3PO. Right away, we'll take a look at the box. Very long box, and it's really fun when you're trying to get it out of the park. Walking all the way from Galaxy's Edge. Now they have a try me button. I don't even know what he says because doing it in the store you can't quite hear it. Let's see what.
I am fluent in 6 million forms of communication.
Alright. Does he say that every time?
The possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
So it looks like anytime you push, he'll just give you a line from the movie. Weird thing though is the eyes stay lit up for a while. Like, that'll probably be lit for a while. On the top of the box you have Cybot, Galactica, 3PO Protocol Droids. Taking a look on the sides. Alright. Push buttons, we've got that removable head, removable arms, and removable legs. So this whole thing can come apart. I guess that's useful for storage, or maybe if you're trying to do like a movie scene. Down here you have a brief description of Protocol Droids. Them being known for their languages. Other side, don't really have anything. Just Droid Depot. And then on the bottom, so you'll see his eyes are still lit up. On the bottom you have the price. This one only takes 3 AA's. Or is it triple? Yeah, AA's, 3 AA's. This is not remote control. So this one's only $59.99. The other ones are like 100 and up. So if you didn't want a remote control one, this one's a good deal in that case. But let's open it up, see what it looks like. It's like an operating table. Once you get that out, next step is a bunch of little twisty ties. Oh wow, that's a lot of them. Luckily I have scissors, so I'll just start cutting away. Alright, just pulled him out. That took a long time because the scissors did not work. There's a lot of the things holding him in there. So he stands up on his own so far. That's good. Looks like his feet are adjustable, but we'll kind of work top down here. First thing I noticed though, the box didn't come with any type of instructions. The remote control ones usually tell you how to do it, how to change the batteries. This has nothing. Alright, as far as posability goes, so arms move up and down. Oh. Looks like his body can twist side to side. Now I'm curious to see about, set this down. It said his arms come off. Trying to figure out how you do that though. Unless they come off through here. Oh. So there you go. It's literally just a little kind of ball and socket thing. So that's just the arm piece. Nothing else on the arm moves. The fingers are kind of posable. They bend a little bit. But, oh, there you go. The hand moves. Okay. So the hand moves. I doubt this moves because that looks pretty solid. But it does move around. Maybe. Oh, and there it goes. Okay. So it is quite posable. Looks like you can move it in and out, move the arms, the fingers kind of work. So it's safe to say that's how the left and right arms are going to be. His head.
I'm not much more than an interpreter and not very good at telling stories. Well, not a very interesting anyway.
So his head can...
Oh, my head!
So he actually responds to losing his head. Looks like there's a button here which triggers that it's connected or not. Let's take a look at his head here. So it moves in and out. Looks like that's about it. Let's see how his legs are. Alright, so he actually makes a reaction when you get his leg off. Anytime you take him apart, he will respond to it. That's kind of what makes this a funny droid. Let's see what happens when we put them back together.
Oh, the Very good, I like that.
Oh, whoa. So with his legs, you can pose them side to side. You can get a few different stances in. Alright. Just pop his head back on and see if he likes that.
Is my... that's much better.
What's he say if,
My first job was programming binary load lifters, very similar to your evaporators in most respects.
Alright, we'll put his last arm on. Alright. And let's turn around and see what he can do. If there's anything back here. I just like the stance he has. He really replicated that well. Alright, looks like there's a single switch. I wonder what it does. Maybe it's just an on or off. Yep, it's just an on or off switch because I'm pushing the front. Nothing happens.
Hello, I am C3PO Human Cyborg Relations. How might I serve you?
Let's see if we can make him wave. Alright. And I like how his lights stay on after a while.
I'm not much more than an interpreter, and not very good at telling stories. Well, not a great deal interesting anyway.
And again, you can move his body left and right. Now let's compare him to another droid because his size, I'm not 100% certain, but I think it is to the same scale as the build your own droids and the other pre-box droids. So here I've got DJ Rex. I don't know if this is accurate with the scale between the two, but I feel like with R2 it would be. So this isn't the best example, but maybe they can talk to each other. I don't know.
With all we've been through, sometimes I'm amazed we're in as good condition as we are. Not with the rebellion and all.
All right. So yeah, if you have the R2 one, I think they'd go really well together. This DJ Rex probably isn't the best example. All right, and that's about all the features. It's really simple. Just one on and off switch. You get reactions when you pull a piece on or off. Overall, I think this is actually one of the better deal droids. If you could go without having a remote control one, which I'd rather have it for display, but that's just me. I think this is actually one of the better deals out there. And once you get it out of the box and move it around a little bit, it's all plastic, but it feels really good, and it is fun to just see C3PO as a big figure.
Let the Wookiee win. We're doomed. My first job was programming binary load lifters, very similar to your evaporators in most respects.
That's going to do it for this review of the C3PO Droid Depot figure. I like this one a lot. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.